How to make questions mandatory in Google Forms. So let's get started. To make questions mandatory in Google Forms, meaning respondents cannot submit the form without answering, here is a quick step-by-step guide. First of all, go to the Google Forms and open the form you are working on or create a new form by tapping on the plus icon available there. Now, since we are creating a new form, let's create a question. So first of all, here is the multiple choice questions. Let's simply write down gender in the untitled form option available there and make it a question, and add options as well. So let me just put it in this way: male and female. Now, in order to make this option mandatory, you will get to see required option available there at the bottom of the question. Switch the toggle to on, it will turn blue. This ensures that the question is mandatory. Now add more mandatory question. Repeat the same process for any other questions you want to be mandatory. So here I am creating a new question. What is your name? And now if you want this question to be mandatory, then again tap on the required option available there and you can preview your form. Now let's just check our form. Simply tap on the publish option available at the top right corner of your screen, and once done so, once it is published, tap on the published icon available and copy the responder link option available there. Copy it. Now open the new tab. Once you copy the responder link, open the new tab and paste this link and navigate to that untitled form. And here you can see the question we just made has been mandatory. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.